0, 0, 0. Would you believe me if I told you something you're probably throwing away could be the secret to healthier plants, stronger roots, and fewer pests in your garden? Today, I'm revealing the incredible power of eggshells, and trust me, you won't look at them the same way again. 0, 16. If you want lush, thriving plants without spending extra money on fertilizers, you're in the right place. In this video, you'll discover exactly how eggshells can transform your garden, improve soil health, and protect your plants, all using something you already have in your kitchen. 0, 31. Many gardeners struggle with weak plants, nutrient deficiencies, and soil that just won't hold up. Commercial fertilizers can be expensive, and sometimes they do more harm than good. But what if I told you that the solution to these problems is sitting in your kitchen right now? 101. Eggshells are packed with calcium, an essential nutrient that prevents problems like blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. But that's not all. They also improve soil aeration, balance pH levels, and even deter common garden pests like slugs and snails. Let's break down the best ways to prepare and use them. 130. First, let's prepare those eggshells. Rinse them, let them dry, and crush them into small pieces. You can even grind them into a powder for quicker results. 151. Now here are the best ways to use eggshells in your garden. Mix crushed eggshells directly into the soil for slow-releasing calcium. Sprinkle them around plants to keep slugs and snails away. Add them to your compost pile. They break down and enrich it. Or use eggshell halves as perfect biodegradable seed cups. 231. Want to see the difference? Check out these side-by-side comparisons of plants with and without eggshell amendments. The results are shocking. Stronger stems, bigger yields, and healthier leaves. 301. So whether you're growing tomatoes, peppers, flowers, or leafy greens, eggshells are a game changer. They're free, natural, and incredibly effective. Start using them today and watch your garden thrive. 321. Have you tried using eggshells in your garden? Drop a comment below and let me know your experience. And if you love simple, effective gardening hacks, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and check out my other gardening secrets. 340. Discover the amazing world of eggshell gardening. From using eggshells as seed starters to creating natural pest repellents, we're sharing the top eggshell gardening secrets you won't believe. Get ready to take your gardening game to the next level with these surprising and effective tips. Learn how to reuse and recycle eggshells to improve soil health, support plant growth, and even deter garden pests. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, these eggshell gardening hacks will inspire you to think outside the box or eggshell and create a thriving and sustainable garden.